The distinct sound of a horse whinnying, followed by the gentle sounds of a foal nursing from its mother in the green pasture. The rhinoceros uses a deep, resonant snort as a form of communication, forcefully expelling air.
The magnificent leatherback sea turtle glides through the crystal clear waters, a true marvel of the deep ocean.
These mallard ducklings are busy foraging, using their small beaks to rapidly peck at the lush green leaves on the ground. These are beagle puppies, known for their distinctive high-pitched barks and howls.
Known for their distinctive trumpet, these magnificent creatures communicate across vast distances.
Known for their distinct markings, these ornamental koi can live for decades in a well-maintained pond.
The massive hippopotamus can be seen here tearing away at the swamp grass. They often display this wide. Listen closely to the low, guttural growl of the cheetah as it patrols its territory.
A sow nurses her large litter of piglets. Listen closely to the rhythmic suckling and the high-pitched squeals of the young pigs.
Deep in the midnight zone, the ocean is dark, but these common squids create their own light through a process called bioluminescence.
Pigs require a significant amount of water daily, often drinking up to 10 liters, especially in warm weather.
The spotted fish uses the vibrant coral for shelter. Listen closely to the subtle clicks and bubbles of the reef environment.
Here in the savannah, the herd communicates with a loud trumpet.
The vibrant coral reef is home to many unique creatures, including the pufferfish. When threatened, it rapidly inflates with water.
The distinctive cooing of the pigeon is often accompanied by the rapid tapping sound as they peck for food on the hard pavement.
Here we see the intricate dance of the white butterfly, its wings creating a soft, rhythmic flutter against the ambient sounds of the meadow. Listen to the unique vocalizations of the emperor penguin, a loud mutual display used for identification. Monkeys use these loud vocalizations, or chattering, to communicate within their groups as they move through the structures.
When pigeons gather, their characteristic cooing fills the air, often accompanied by the rapid tapping sound of their beaks as they peck at the grain.
Listen closely to the sound of the deer tearing the lush grass.
The American bison, the largest mammals in North America, produce distinct, low grunts as they graze the plains.
The brown cow calmly chews its cud, a rhythmic and essential process known as rumination.
Hippos are herbivores, consuming vast amounts of grass with their powerful jaws.
Koi fish, known for their vibrant colors, are a symbol of peace and prosperity. They are often seen feeding near the surface.
A picture of contentment. This cow is calmly chewing its cud.